Slide the cartridge door forward to open it. Navigate to the printer's printing preferences, select Advanced Settings, then select the option to clean the printer. Now press the Clean Platen button. The Platen plate will be pushed to the front and the printer will shut down automatically. Use the cleaning pad from the printer cleaning kit and remove it from its pouch. Wipe down the print Platen tray completely as shown. Close the cartridge door and turn the printer on.